Hey everybody, welcome back to Projects with Paul. Today I'm out here in my 40-foot storage container and we got some shelves we're going to put together and I'll show you what those look like. Okay, these are the shelves I bought. Bought them at Northern Tool, and they are basically 6 foot tall, 5 foot wide, and 24 inches deep. And 880 pounds per shelf, which I'll never put that much on them, so they should be plenty strong enough for storage out here in the container. I didn't want to go over anything 2 foot deep just because, you know, it's only 8 foot wide, so I don't want to take up a whole lot of aisle space. I want to be able to walk through here and get to my stuff, especially since my tractor is going to be in here and all my tools, compressor, welder, all that good stuff. So I'm going to get these boxes opened up and see what we got to do to put them together. Shouldn't be too big a deal. Probably actually just slide together. So let me get them opened up and we'll see how they look. That's all you do. Just put that little bracket in there, slide them together. Yeah, they're a little flimsy. Probably need some help putting these together, but let's see what we can do. Hopefully they'll tighten up after I get everything put together. If not, I may end up welding them all together. Hopefully it don't fall apart again. Hopefully the second and third shelf I put together will be a little bit easier to know what to look for. Hopefully they don't fall apart when I try to move them. It's not looking good so far. Seem to be getting a little better the more pieces I put on. Still not against welding them though. It's a lot more rigid with all the pieces on. I still got the cross pieces and the shelves to put on. So. Okay, well I finally got one of the frames put together. Everything just slides together. I wish it was bolted together. It'd be a little easier probably. But definitely two people it would make it a lot easier. Everything's kind of flimsy, but it does go together. You definitely need a dead blow hammer. If you don't know what a dead blow hammer is, it looks like this. Rubber, got some sand inside of it, so it doesn't dent anything. So I really wanted the heavier duty shelves they had at Northern, but of course they were out of stock and back ordered and all that good stuff. So I took what they had there. And I think they'll be fine. I just the only bad part is I got two more of them to put together, and I got to put the wire racks. I think those just lay on there though, no biggie. All right, real quick here's what they look like with the wire shelves. They just drop into place. No big deal. Sit on there, kind of sit down in there's a little bit of a gap or a groove there for them. Seem pretty sturdy after everything's said and done. So, all right, there you have it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, spit it out. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Projects with Paul. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.